Sink the Ship uses a nautical theme as players multiply and/or divide two fractions created by positioning 4 dice over and under one another. Played similar to our popular Muggins game, players build runs or block their opponent's runs to get bonus points at the end of the game. On the first roll of the game, the answer that is produced by multiplying or dividing two fractions becomes the location of that player's home port from which the player will launch his or her ship. For example, the blue player has rolled a 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the dice. Several combinations are possible, like 3/5 and 4/6, or 5/4 and 3/6, or 3/4 and 5/6. The blue player decides on 3/4 and 5/6, then multiplies the fractions to make 15 over 24, which reduces to 5 over 8. The blue player places a marble on one of the spaces for 5/8. That will be the blue player's home port from which he or she launches his or her ship to begin the game. Write this fraction down so all the other players know what your home port is. Each player will have only one home port in a game. During the game, if a player is able to surround your unprotected ship in its home port, 5/8, with one or more of his marbles, that player has been able to sink your ship and gets 5 points at the end of the game. So, try to protect your ship in its home port by getting another one of your marbles on an adjoining space as soon as possible. 1 point is scored for each marble you place on the board, but you receive bonus points for each run of 2 or more in a row. If you make a run that includes a safe port, the 2 spaces on each corner, you receive double bonus points for the run. For example, a run of 4 in a row, as seen with the green player, would normally score 7 bonus points, but this run of 4 in a row includes a safe port and is worth 14 bonus points at the end of the game. You may multiply or divide both proper and improper fractions and use the answers on either side of the holes on the board. Some answers are repeated on the game board, but you may only place 1 marble per turn. If an answer is a mixed number, then drop the whole number and keep the remaining fraction for the answer on which you place your marble. You may vary the skill level of the game by using only multiplication or division, or use both. Pencil and paper may be used, and we encourage playing in partners. Sink the Ship is a fun way for teens and adults to use strategy and problem solving while practicing multiplication and division of fractions.